Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a very special video. I am going to give you guys a tour of my bedroom, and I was looking forward to doing this from a long time, but it was not really set up. So recently we have ordered few things online here and there from Amazon, Pepperfry and stuff like that, nothing fancy. But I feel now it is in a situation where I can show it to you guys. So come on in and I'll give you a nice tour. Hope you'll enjoy it. So this is where I come from, the hall area. Both sides there are bedrooms on each side. So this is my sister-in-law's room. We'll not go in there today. On the right hand side is my bedroom. So come on in. So once we open the door here, sorry for the squeaking noise. So on the left hand side, first thing you see is this key holder. We just keep our keys and masks and stuff like that here. And this is how you enter the room. Let's go from one side to the other. On the left hand side, we have our TV. It's a Samsung 43-inch TV. On top of that, we have a floating shelf from Amazon. The frame there was given from my office, and I printed out the good vibes only on my computer and put it there. The Buddha was a gift on our wedding. I don't know who gave that. There's a real plant. I think that's a money plant there, and these two are candles on both sides from Home Center. Below that we have these drawers. These drawers are again from Amazon. We have our both speaker. We have another small speaker here. We're charging it right now because tomorrow we're going on a trip and we will need that. We have our Alexa here. Alexa, hello.
You say hello and I will glow. I think it's a great start for conversations to flow.
Then we have few more candles here, a vase. We have our TV remote and few trinkets here and there. We have one extra chair just in case someone visits. There's a laptop bag of my husband's. We have a lot of wardrobes in our room. This is my husband's wardrobe, one of his wardrobes. He has a lot of clothes, more than me. We have his gym bag because he needs that every morning. Next to that is a trash can, and then this is his study. I also use it sometimes. I designed the whole thing, the measurements, the color, the design, every single thing I designed and gave it to a local carpenter business there in Bangalore, and we got it to Guwahati from Bangalore. So while getting it, you can see some of the handles broke. We are yet to replace them. So he has put some of his idols here, you know, Elon Musk and APJ Abdul Kalam. We have our laptops here, water bottle, lamp, and on top of that is my husband's photograph from his IIT days. Then we have another speaker here, some wire situation going on there, and my husband loves cars. He still collects them like a child. And then he has his pen stand, few things. This cute one was gifted to my husband from my sister-in-law. I also have one on the other side. This is again another real plant that we have on top there on the shelf. It's the same one here. We have our Wi-Fi connector there. Then this is again a lamp from Amazon, and so this is the study area. And next to that we have our bed. Now this bed is from Home Center. It was gifted by my mom, and again some wire situations going on here, can't help it. And on top of that we have these beautiful frames. I totally love them. I love the white base and the white frame combination. These are all from Amazon. And on top of that is our AC. And let me show you what we have here. On that side we have my husband's earphones, some Vaseline, fake plant, some books I'm reading, our AC remote, my doll. My mother-in-law gifted that to me. She's really cute. And on the right hand side I have my bedside table. This came along with the bed, given by my mom. I have another lamp here. I need that because every night I need to read my Bible, and this one doesn't disturb my husband who sleeps on the other side. I have this little one I was talking about, again gifted by my sister-in-law. I have this Dot and Key lip plumping sleeping mask here, which I use every night, and again some wiring situation going on behind that. Then we have these creepers. Again, I think these are quite famous from Amazon. Everyone has them. This is one thing which I really love. This is made on a bamboo. These creepers look very cute. This is again from Amazon. Amazon should really partner with them. I mean, I've bought so many things from them. Then next to that is this huge ass window. We get very nice view and a lot of sunlight from here. So there are clothes drying out in the balcony right now. I don't want to go there. Next to that we have this again hanging planter here. This shelf is again from Amazon, macrame shelf, very pretty. Next to that door leads to the balcony. Here again there's a simple abstract art. Below that we have a real plant. This is an Erica palm tree. Here it also acts as an air purifier, so totally needed that in the room. There again we have another wardrobe right opposite to the bed. This again belongs to my husband. See, I told you. On top of that we have our clock, and next to that I have my dressing table. I will not go into details what and all I have here. On top of that I have my dream catcher. This is really cute. My husband ordered that. And so I have my skincare, hair care, everything. Hi. Here I have a lot of scrunchies here, one full basket full of scrunchies, and my combs and hair brushes and things I need on a daily basis. I have a quote from the Bible: "The Lord shall preserve thee from all evil." Amen. I have nothing in these boxes actually. I'm yet to decide what I should keep. I just kept them because they look cute. And here there are stuff like nail cutter, face mask, my extra lenses and all of that. Here I have again my nail polishes, some extra soaps, my bangles and all of that. And next to that is these four are my wardrobes. And again on top there we have kept two plants. These are from Pepper Fry, and these wardrobes are mine. I'll not show you what is inside. Next to that is a very interesting part. Here we have posters of all our favorite series of mine and my husband's. So we have Dexter, we have Breaking Bad, Big Bang Theory, Mindhunter, Friends obviously, Game of Thrones, Vampire Diaries, The Office, Squid Game, The Boys. So everything is here. I really love how this wall looks. And there is the door through which we came in. So we had a complete full view of the room just now. This is my cute little room, nothing fancy, but it's still very close to my heart. So this is the room, and let me take you here. Here is a cute little dressing corner. This is our medicine box. I have some shoes here. This entire cabinet is full of our shoes, mine and my husband's. And I have a bathrobe here. This again, I have a wardrobe here. This one contains all of our winter clothes, so sweaters and jackets and all of that. On top we have some extra suitcases. So this is the area. Have some room fresheners and all. And through this you go into the bathroom. Again, I have kept one of those frames here. I think it looks really cute in the bathroom. Then here is the mirror. Here is the basin and there's the mirror, and I have whatever I need on a daily basis here on these shelves. And there's the towel rack, and here I have two more shelves where I've kept my shampoos and hair conditioners. And this is the shower, and here we have our loofahs and soaps and stuff. This is the window, And again, this is one whole rotation of the bathroom. So once we come out, this is again the dressing area, and here we enter our bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my very simple room tour or bedroom tour. I'll give you a tour of the entire house someday in future. And if you enjoyed the video and you like seeing my vlogs, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and put in the comments what else you guys would love to see. I will definitely make some makeup videos soon. It has been really hot and humid here, so I've also not gotten the time with my busy schedule with work, but I'm getting back to makeup also very soon. So see you guys, please stay in touch, and I love you all so much, and thank you for your support. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.